November 1st, 1952, the United States exploded the first hydrogen bomb.
Aboard a Navy ship steaming toward Eniwetok Atoll in November 1952, a handful of men share a secret which can shape the fate of the world. On a tiny island named Illujalab, the Atomic Energy Commission and the Defense Department are preparing to explode the world's most fearsome weapon, the first hydrogen bomb.
The bomb, which was nicknamed Mike, was under the observation of the four groups performing the test: the Army, Navy, Air Force, and a scientific contingent.
A weather briefing is held as H hour nears, for weather conditions can make or break the test shot.
Any chance of showers?
Not within the next 48 hours over the entire Marshalls.
How about cloud cover?
A few cumulus move in, but if we go off on schedule, nothing to bother the operation.
In less than a minute, the first hydrogen bomb ever set off on Earth will explode before your very eyes.
Minus 15 seconds. Minus 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, teaser.
Watch the shockwave as it rolls toward the flagship.
This film was edited to exclude any classified information and was released 2 years after the bomb was exploded.
Helicopters whirling away to study the test island must get in and out quickly. Radioactive dust will begin showering the atoll in an hour.
From the helicopters, observers could clearly see that the island was completely flattened. There was nothing left except what seemed to be a deep crater and the dark blue water. The bomb produced a fireball more than 3 miles across. Compared to New York's skyline, this meant that with the Empire State Building as the 0 point, the fireball would extend from Washington Square to Central Park, searing 1/4 of the island of Manhattan in an instant.
The tremendous upsurge of air from the detonation rapidly pushes up the Mike cloud. Again, nothing of this height and width has ever before been witnessed. If the picture is stopped at this point in the cloud's growth, the height of the cloud is approximately 40,000 feet. This means that 32 Empire State Buildings at 1,250 feet each could be piled one on top of the other before they would reach the cloud's altitude at this time, roughly 2 minutes after zero. Some 10 minutes later, the cloud approaches its maximum. The mushroom portion of the deadly radioactive air mass has pushed up to around 10 miles and spreads out along the base of the stratosphere to the width of about 100 miles. The stem itself is snaking upward to a height of about 25 miles.
The bomb, which created a crater approximately a mile in diameter, was hundreds of times more destructive than the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Everything within a radius of 3 miles was completely annihilated. Severe to moderate damage was recorded out to 7 miles. The lateral destructive effects were the greatest achieved by a single explosive device. Light damage extended as far as 10 miles.
With this mushroom cloud, mankind enters the hydrogen bomb age, an era in which every one of us must share the fateful decision to create or destroy.
The hydrogen bomb's awesome power to destroy truly shook the world on November 1st, 1952.